If you think about it, in shadow coding, the AI is essentially just translating from one syntax to another. So let's use that. Maybe we can take it up a notch. What if we could assign a specific kind of shadow syntax and have the AI generate a specific kind of output code for it? We could actually extend the syntax of our language to handle a variety of common use cases. Think of it as macros for every single language ever and a lot more flexible. A good example of this is the lack of data classes in Dart. So Dart very famously lacks the ability to have data classes. And if you want to do some object mappings from your backend, you have to, write down these giant classes instead. And we've been asking for this feature since 2017, and they haven't gotten to it yet. But with shadow coding, we don't need to wait for that anymore. So I'm going to create a new model file called payment.dart. And let's say we want to create a payment model for ourselves. Now, a very good use case is that you have a backend in Firestore. You want to convert it to a Dart class. So I'm going to type Firestore class payment, and just like a TypeScript type or interface, I'm just going to declare the fields that I need, right? So I need an ID. Let's see. We also need a payer ID. Let's have a payer name. And what else? We could have a merchant ID. A payment method. This could be an enum, right? Cash, card, or online. And of course, every payment needs to have an amount. This payment could be reversible or not. And finally, we have created at and updated at. So I'm going to hand this over to the AI to generate code for it. And as you can see, he's generating our class for us. Oh, one more thing. Shadow code automatically installs, it sees if there are any missing dependencies in the code that the AI generates, and it will automatically install those dependencies for you. So that's pretty cool. But what's even cooler is check this out. I really need you to appreciate what's going on here. This isn't close to what I want. This is exactly the code that I would have written myself. There's nothing that I would change. So what we've done here is that we've added a feature to Dart that doesn't actually exist. And now I can use this shadow syntax in any language. So if you look at my user.dart, that was also created from a shadow file, right? Same input, same output, 100% deterministic every time.